Today I'm remaking a 3D printed bird puppet mechanism with a geared beak. I started this project actually in 2021 during the pandemic, and I made a short film. And unlike a lot of my videos, it got comments and people seem to really like this bird puppet mechanism. So I have been working on version 2, the new and improved version 2, and that's what today I'm going to be assembling version 2. Now this is the original mechanism, and it works by having two gears, bigger and smaller, and allowing the bottom of the beak to move more than the top of the beak, which is more of what a puppet would do. So if you're operating a puppet, you want to move the bottom jaw, not the top of the head. We don't talk with our heads going up, we talk with our jaws going down. So that's what the original puppet was intended to do. So from there, there's like all kinds of versions have been made of this puppet. And today I'm going to assemble the new version. And if you stick around, I'll be sharing some of these bird puppet mechanisms for you. Let's get started. So I've 3D printed about 8 different parts for this puppet. There's the mechanism at the bottom, which controls the tilt of the head, and that's the first bit. It's got threaded inserts along the back of it to bind in the screws, and then both of the gear mechanisms, the 2 bits of gear, both have bearings in the middle to hopefully facilitate a smoother movement. Some little metal standoffs which are going to help keep the 2 parts of this mechanism at a decent distance, so I don't want to get them squeezed together because then they won't work. So this is just going to create some separation between the 2 halves of our mechanism sandwich. That's what we're calling it. Oh, let's go the right way. So this is our internal mechanism now, which is going to have a rod pull. These are from airplane model kits. So now you can, so the head's on the top part, and then you can pull up and down on here and tilt the head left and right, left and right. That's the mechanism. So I get that a bit more extreme, I think. We'll put that, so when it's down, it's really just tilted. There we go. Coming out the other side. Oh, we've not got that one through properly. Now our mechanism can go left and right. That's the mechanism. So we'll put on the bottom handle. So now our little bird can tilt his head left and right. And we're just going to now add on the next bit, which will house the bird beak. There we go. So we've got now we've got the upper part. We're just going to add a rod. Let's add a rod. These are all threaded, and then I don't screw it in too tightly because you never know when you might want to change it. And we're just going to attach it to the other mechanism now, so the 2 parts will be joined. So that is our squeaky chair. That's our bird mechanism. He can talk, and he tilts his head, and he does both. Which is great. I'm really pleased with it.
Yes, we're really pleased with it. Yes. Oh, yes. Yeah, yes. Mm.
So that's the mechanism. And I've made some extra ones. So if you really would like to have a go yourself and make your own puppet, you can do. And there's a link in the description. I'd love to see what you create. My name's Dan. I make things like this and all kinds of puppets and stop motion characters. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.